Hello, kids. Are you ready for an amazing animal adventure? Today, we will travel around the world and meet 20 wonderful animals. Let's begin. Penguin. In a very cold place, we meet a penguin. Penguins cannot fly, but they are excellent swimmers. They stay warm with thick feathers. Can you guess where penguins live? Hot desert or icy land? Zebra. Running on green grasslands is a zebra. Every zebra has different stripes. No two zebras look the same. Question. Do you think zebra stripes are the same or different? Tiger. From the jungle comes a tiger. Tigers are the largest wild cats. They are strong and fast hunters. Is a tiger a herbivore or a carnivore? Red panda. High in the trees lives a red panda. It loves eating bamboo and sleeping on branches. So cute and shy. Would you like to see a red panda in real life? Rhinoceros. A big animal walks slowly. It's a rhinoceros. Rhinos have thick skin and one or two horns. They eat plants. Is the rhino small or very big? Cheetah. Zoom. That was a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals. They run very fast for short time. Can any human run as fast as a cheetah? Polar bear. In snowy lands lives a polar bear. Its white fur helps it hide in snow. It is a great swimmer. Why do you think polar bears are white? Meerkat. Look. A meerkat stands tall. Meerkats live in groups and watch for danger together. Do meerkats like to live alone or in groups? Gorilla. In the forest lives a gentle gorilla. Gorillas are very strong, but kind and peaceful. They eat leaves and fruits. Are gorillas dangerous or gentle? Giraffe. Look up, higher, highest. It's a giraffe. Giraffes have the longest necks and eat leaves from tall trees. Why does a giraffe need a long neck? Chimpanzee. Say hello to the smart chimpanzee. Chimpanzees use tools and are very intelligent. Do you think animals can be smart like humans? Lemur. Jump. Jump. Here comes a lemur. Lemurs have long tails and big eyes. They are playful animals. Which animal loves jumping? Lemur or elephant? Llama. In the mountains lives a llama. Llamas help people by carrying heavy loads. They eat grass. Is the llama helpful to humans? Elephant. Here comes the giant elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have long trunks and great memory. Which animal has a trunk? Lion. Hear the loud roar. It's a lion. Lions live in families called prides. They are brave and strong. Why is the lion called the king of jungle? Okapi. This animal looks special. It's an okapi. It looks like zebra legs and giraffe body. Very rare. Have you ever seen an okapi before? Bear. A bear walks out of its cave. Bears eat fruits, plants, and meat. They sleep for a long time in winter. What do bears do in winter? Camel. In the hot desert lives a camel. Camels store fat in their humps and can live without water for days. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? Pelican. Near the water flies a pelican. Pelicans have big beaks to catch fish. Do pelicans eat fish or grass? Kangaroo. Jump. 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 It's a kangaroo. Baby kangaroos live inside their mother's pouch. Where does the baby kangaroo live? Moral, slow, and emotional tone. Children. All animals are special and important to our planet. We must love animals, protect nature, and never harm wildlife. If you enjoyed this animal adventure, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Comment below. Which animal is your favorite?